Hi guys, I have a Lexus ES 350. It's 2007 model, and I'm gonna show you today how to replace the blower motor. As you can see, it's located, it's the driver's side, it's located on the right side of the vehicle in front of a passenger seat. As you can see, there is a glove department box, and then underneath that there is a piece of plastic, and right underneath that there's a black piece of plastic. I already took it off in order to show you how to take it off. As you can see, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips and 2 clips in the front. The way to take it off, put your hand right here, pull it towards you and down, and after that these clips, just push it down, and what's next, you're gonna have this clip for a footlight. Just take it off by pressing this piece in and pull it out. Okay, put this aside. Now I'm gonna show you underneath it how this motor looks. Let me just use my light so you can see this better. Okay, like that. As you can see, that's the motor that you're supposed to replace. In order to do that, this is one screw, the second is right there, and the third one is right here. That's a torque screw. So what you gotta do, there's a clip right here that you press and pull the cable out, then take these three screws off, and then pull this down. Very simple, nothing to it. There's one more thing that I have to tell you, how I know the blower motor is going bad. As I was sitting in my car, the car was idling, I heard some noise, like unordinary noise, like bearings start going bad, and how you're gonna know for sure it's bearing? I mean, it's a motor. See this button right here, it says off. Press this off button, and then noise is gonna disappear. It means your blower motor is bad. Okay, then it's really easy to put this back up, push it in, and line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips, and push it up. That's it. Before you got to put the footlight back in. Thank you so much for listening, and good luck for doing it when you're doing it.